class, the teacher asked the students, "According to me, between the teapot and the teacup, which one receives the tea?" The student answered, "Teacher, cup of tea is accepted." The teacher asked again, "So the teacup wants to receive tea, it must be higher or lower than the teapot?" The student said, "Yes, teacher, the teacup must be lower than the teapot." Life is the same. You want to receive something, you want others to give you value, teach and guide you, you have to put yourself in a lower position. If you want to pour water into your cup of tea, don't put yourself above everyone else's teapot. That is a lesson in humility. If you are always proud, conceited, thinking that you know everything, you will not get a single drop of water, because you consider yourself a full cup of water, no one can pour more. There is an old saying, "The great sea at a low place can accommodate 100 rivers." The more humble the person, the more he receives, the greater his ability to tolerate others. Also remember one thing, the water in the teapot that has been poured for a long time has also dried up. We cannot just sit still in a low place and wait for the water to be poured. When you find your cup of tea is full, find yourself a taller, bigger cup that can hold more water, which means actively reaching up high and stepping out of your comfort zone. If you just listen to whatever you say without thinking, it will always be a small, fragile cup of tea.